Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A detective corporal remains in custody this evening after he was captured during a police operation. The corporal is accused of hijacking an in-drive taxi operator and stealing his vehicle at Gunpoint on Saturday. Ramarda Lyons reports.
A late-night gunpoint robbery sent a 19-year-old running to the police on Saturday. The 19-year-old man, an in-drive taxi operator, was driving along Colleyville Avenue in Kingston when an armed individual entered his vehicle and forcibly took control while it was in motion. With quick thinking, he managed to escape unharmed and alerted the authorities. The story took a dramatic turn when the vehicle was tracked to a location in St. Catherine. The officers were stunned when they discovered that the person inside the vehicle was one of their own. Head of the St. Catherine South Division, Acting Senior Superintendent Leighton Gray, spoke with her news center.
There was a lone person in the vehicle. We stopped the vehicle, intercept, and make the necessary checks. When we revealed that it is a serving member of the force, was a lone person, we took that person in custody along with the vehicle, and thereafter we informed police emergency as to the intercept, and then thereafter the Dwayne police area in which it occurred, they were notified.
Mr. Gray said the vehicle was intercepted along Dyke Road in the vicinity of the Jamworld complex in Portmore. In a release, the Constabulary's communication unit says the suspect is a detective corporal. When he was searched, they found a Glock 17 9mm pistol, 2 magazines, and 13 rounds of ammunition, all issued by the JCF. He also had his police identification. The Criminal Investigations Branch is leading the investigation. Meanwhile, the Police High Command says it strongly condemns any form of criminal conduct, particularly when perpetrated by those sworn to uphold the law. It adds that it will neither tolerate nor conceal wrongdoing in any quarters of the force, and any member who entertains criminal inclinations will be thoroughly investigated and prosecuted. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.